Yeah, here we go. Bringing Katia to the fold right now. 10 o'clock track is what we're working with right now, and it still hasn't developed into a hurricane yet.
No, not yet, but that's expected sometime today. And regardless, though, we're already feeling impacts here. I mean, coastal flooding, those images coming in. I mean, some of the video from viewers, they say they've never seen tidal flooding like what they've been seeing from those videos before. So it will only continue to worsen as we head into the overnight hours as Tropical Storm Nicole moves even closer and potentially onshore across our viewing area. So here's the latest track with Tropical Storm Nicole. Again, it's just a tropical storm right now, but it will start to move over Grand Bahama. And by that point, it will become a Category 1 hurricane. Landfall expected sometime tonight around 2 o'clock in the morning, anywhere from Boynton Beach up into Sebastian as a Cat 1 storm, moving into Okeechobee County, weakening to a tropical storm by tomorrow morning, and then pushing towards the Big Bend area, and then finally moving out of the state towards the mid-Atlantic states, weakening as it moves in that direction. So one of the biggest threats that we're going to be dealing with today into the overnight hours, coastal flooding, beach erosion, and even the potential for storm surge. Yes, we're going to be dealing with some heavy downpours at times, but the big threat is going to be coastal flooding and beach erosion. We're already starting to see that across the area. Numerous storm reports coming in about that tidal flooding across the area. So a lot of people asking, how does that even work? How does storm surge even work? Well, when you have an area of low pressure, a tropical storm, hurricane, what it does is it creates a strong vertical motion in the atmosphere, and that essentially lifts the ocean up. And with those winds, it actually increases those wave heights and pushes that water on shore. So again, that's what we're going to be dealing with throughout the day. Notice the winds wrapping around this area of low pressure. And anytime you see these winds blowing from the water onto land, that's when you get that strong onshore flow, and that's what can result in that storm surge. So as we take a look at this model, actually I'm going to take you back here, and I put this clock in motion. So here's Tropical Storm Nicole right now sitting over the Abacos. It will start to push towards Grand Bahama and then into the overnight hours. Notice these winds wrapping around this low, pushing into the Treasure Coast. So it looks like the biggest threat for storm surge for tonight will be along the Treasure Coast, upwards of 3 to maybe 6 feet of storm surge in that area. And then it will continue to move onshore. Again, landfall expected somewhere in our viewing area overnight tonight. And then it will start to pull away from our viewing area as we head into Thursday. And by Thursday evening, we will start to see improving weather conditions as Nicole continues to move away from the area. Storm surge warning is up for our coastal communities. The worst of that storm surge up to about maybe 3 to 6 feet across the area. Here's a look at the cameras across town. It is certainly a windy, cloudy, and wet day across South Florida. We have those rain bands pushing into the area, and it's just kind of scattered activity. Not a whole lot of heavy rain out there, but towards Boca Raton, you've got a quick moving downpour pushing into your area. And then up towards Martin County, again, we are dealing with a few of those feeder bands pushing in, but again, not necessarily anything heavy. Overnight, though, after about 9 p.m., we start to see that those winds increase. We also start to see that rain increase as Nicole moves onshore. Again, landfall expected sometime tonight, and that's when we're expected to see the worst of those conditions.